Okay, I can't imagine you would know exactly where you are if you saw this imagery, but I'm going to give you a little bit of a guess. We are in Asia, and we are overlooking some islands, and this is some of the same stuff around. You might be able to tell from this over here, but over there's all these mountains, and those mountains go to Hong Kong. So maybe if you can guess, we're actually in Macau, and on this channel what I'm going to be doing is just kind of showing you different parts of Macau. I know a lot of people are interested in it because they read about Macau being the largest city in the world with gambling making the most money, and they want to see exactly what the imagery looks like too. So so this channel is basically just focused to that, and yeah, the people behind me are kind of loud, but that happens in Macau because a lot of tourists, especially from China, come, so they're pretty excited when they get here. Anyways, we're definitely going to be showing you more of Macau, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, welcome to the channel. Do you know where you are? Do you know where this is? You probably have a guess from the name of the videos, but many people wouldn't guess that this is what it looks like. But this is actually in a part called Cotai, and we are in Macau, one of the world's most richest cities and one of the most densest cities in the world. And we're in Cotai right now in a place called the Gardens of Chokvan. So these are apartments that overlook this beautiful coastline. And all these apartments here, they just have all the windows that go down. But I'm going to be showing you a lot of different stuff about Macau, like those beautiful rooftops too. And I just basically just walk up and down streets and I show you exactly what it looks like. And I'm basically going street by street and documenting it as well in time, so you can see exactly what it looks like as kind of references to how it's going to keep changing and changing and changing into the future. So anyways, hope you like this channel, and just like and subscribe and try to make some comments below. It helps a lot for the channel. So, okay, hope you like this. Yeah.